Hello friends, today we will try to find out how many users are logged in my system. So first of all, we see the shadow file. Wherever if user is logged, we'll get exclamation mark before the password. So it is quite tricky and not very helpful. So we'll exclude that command. Then we are having last log. This last log will show when the user was last logged in, but still we are not able to find users logged or not. For that we are having command called lslogin. List logins. Here it will show the list of the users, all the list. Okay, all the users are available and UID of those user. Then password log and password deny. If password deny we found, that means that user is logged. Okay, if password deny value is 1, that means user will not able to log into that system, and the detail is here. So if you go, Kumar user is not logged. Okay, and Amit user is also not logged. Now we'll try to log Chris user. So for logging, pass wd -l log and the username. Now if you see ls login, you will see Chris, its value became 1. Okay, and same we'll do with Kumar, KUMER. So currently Kumar is having 0 here. If I hit the enter key, see Kumar has got 1. But this is also we are not able to find the full report. So my ask is how to get the list of the user which are logged. So we should have the username only. So for that what we'll do, talk single brace print dollar. So what column we have? 1 and 2. Okay. So this will give list of the users. Perfect. But how we'll find out is logged or not? So for that we are having dollar 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, from here we'll get the value 1, cross the brace. Okay, now we are having all the users with value 0 and 1. So 0 means unlocked, 1 is logged. So what we'll do, we'll grab 1. Now we are having username and the 1 value which shows users logged, but I want only username. So furthermore, if you want, cut -d, delimiter will be space and F1 -F1. Like this, you got all the users which are logged. So if you see, we are getting Kumar user here. So we'll unlock passwd -unlock KUMER. Okay. Now see KUMER is got removed here. So using this, you will come to know which are user are logged in this system or which are unlocked. Okay. Now I will say one username. Okay, like I will say, let me know Chris user is logged or not. How will check? What you will do? Grab Chris in etc shadow. By seeing these two exclamation, you can say it's logged. But this is not the correct matter. User will not come to know. For that, we are having command password -s for status and Chris. We are able to see LK lock. Okay, and if we do same with Kumar user KUMER, it won't show LK, it will show PS. So PS means password set, and here LK means password locked. It's showing password is locked. Okay, and password is set. For any user you can do like this. So now we all knows the 3 method. First, you can go to shadow file if it is okay with you to see the exclamation file before the password. Okay. Second, you can use ls login and then some scripting knowledge if you are having, or some basic understanding of the cut command or command, you can get the list of the user which are logged. And if you are specific to one user, that user is locked or not, you can use password hyphen s and following with username. So this will help you to find out the list of the locked, unlocked user. And furthermore, troubleshooting, if someone approach you I'm not able to log into a system, check my username or my password is not working, first check password is locked or not. So this will help you in day-to-day routine activity. Hope you like this video, is adding some value to your knowledge. So keep training. See you in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.